Let's explore Acceptance Test-Driven Development, or ATDD. It's a software development approach where we define acceptance tests before any development work begins. Acceptance test-driven development is a collaborative practice. Users, testers, and developers work together to define acceptance criteria and tests before any code is written. This ensures everyone has a shared understanding of what needs to be built and how it will be validated. ATDD is built upon several key principles. First, collaboration. Business stakeholders, developers, and testers work together to define acceptance criteria. Second, clear requirements. Tests act as executable specifications that clarify what the software should do. Third, early validation. Tests are created before code, ensuring focus on meeting business needs from the start. Fourth, continuous feedback. Regular test execution provides feedback throughout the development process. The ATDD workflow involves 4 main steps. First, discuss. Stakeholders discuss requirements and scenarios. Second, distill. Convert scenarios to acceptance tests. Third, develop. Write code that passes the tests. Fourth, demo. Validate and refine with stakeholders. When writing acceptance tests, follow these guidelines. Write tests in business language so they're understandable to everyone. Focus on the behavior of the system, not the implementation details. Use the given when-then format to clearly define the test scenario. Include concrete examples to illustrate the expected behavior. Here's an example using Python and Behave showing a feature file for ATM cash withdrawal with a scenario. Given I have $500 in my account, when I withdraw $100, then I should receive $100 cash and my account balance should be $400. Now let's implement the test steps using Python. Here's the Python implementation of the test steps where, from Behave we import given, when, then. From the ATM application we import account and ATM. We define steps for setting up the account, withdrawing cash, verifying cash received, and verifying the account balance, using assertions to check the expected outcomes. ATDD offers numerous benefits. First, improved understanding. Clear, executable specifications reduce misunderstandings between business and technical teams. Second, earlier feedback. Issues are discovered during the specification phase rather than after development is complete. Third, higher quality. Focus on correctness from the start leads to fewer defects and better overall quality. Fourth, increased efficiency. Less rework and more focused development efforts reduce overall project time. Fifth, better documentation. Tests serve as living documentation that stays in sync with the actual code. Sixth, regression safety. A comprehensive test suite provides confidence during future changes and refactoring. To make the most of ATDD, consider these best practices. Start small by beginning with a few key scenarios and expand gradually, focusing on high-value business features. Keep tests independent, ensuring each test is self-contained and doesn't depend on the results of other tests. Maintain a shared vocabulary, creating and using a common language between business and technical team members. Continuously refine tests, regularly reviewing and updating them as understanding of requirements evolves. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.